Hello, what follows is a quick summary of the hidden lessons in the problems that we worked with since the beginning of this school year. This is not the complete video, it's just a quick summary, so I'm going to try to see if I can do this in under 2 minutes. Here we go. The first problem was to demonstrate that if we translate from English to math, then we can use algebraic notions and computers, if we want, to make it so that we don't have to struggle through the English language and get right to the answer without struggle. Second problem dealt with the locker situation. It has two benefits in its learning. Number one, complex problems can be understood sometimes by breaking them down into simpler models. Number two, if we are going to look for patterns, we better verify our patterns using some alternate form. In this case, I used a deeper understanding of why the perfect square lockers were open, and then I can extend that and make the final judgment. The pigs and chickens, not only is it to show again how to go from English into mathematics and then use math to do your work for you, but it also demonstrates that we can use tables, we can use equations, or we can use graphs, and either of those is acceptable, but together they form a very powerful argument and demonstrate clear comprehension. Boys and bikes, sometimes the answer is right in front of you. You only know if you understand the question. And another thing is, sometimes you can go and learn more about mathematics if you continue to think about a problem after you've found what you believe to be the solution. And here, mathematics can sometimes defy intuition, so maybe we think it would take more string to wrap around the earth an extra inch, but it only takes the same amount. And so mathematics is a powerful tool to help us prevent myths. Alright, and linear functions. Oh yeah, that was the other thing. You studied linear functions last year in algebra, and yet when confronted with a linear function, we were unable to recognize it. And so that is a criticism of doing nothing but exercises out of a book without applying it to the real world. It's not your fault, it's not teacher's fault either, it's just the way we've been doing things, and we should change. Here about rates. If you learn how to work with labels in your numbers, then it makes the mathematics far easier to understand and you have more confidence that you're correct. The math almost writes itself. And finally, understanding a problem geometrically, sometimes using imagination is really helpful. And yeah, that's it. Oh, not under 2 minutes, but pretty good. Thanks for listening.